Have you ever met someone who didn't try to impress anyone, but somehow everyone wanted to be around them? They didn't talk the most, they didn't dress the best, they didn't show off. But when they entered the room changed. That is magnetism. And the shocking truth is, it has nothing to do with money, looks, or confidence. It comes from tiny habits, so small that you don't even notice them, but powerful enough to change how people feel around you. A few years ago, I met someone like this. He was quiet, average looking, no big achievements. But people leaned toward him when he spoke. They opened up to him, they trusted him. I wondered why. So I started watching him closely and I realized something scary. He wasn't special, he was just doing small things extremely right. Here are these tiny habits. Habit number one, he was fully there. When you spoke to him, he didn't look at his phone, he didn't glance around. His eyes were on you. No staring, no intense, just present. And in a world full of distractions, giving someone your full attention feels like love. People do not remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel. That's magnetic. Habit number two, he paused before speaking. Most people rush to talk, they rush to prove, they rush to respond. But he didn't. He would pause, think, then speak slowly. That pause made his words feel really important. When you slow down, people lean in. Stillness creates gravity. Habit number three. He didn't try to be interesting. He tried to be interested. He asked questions, real ones, not small talk, no fake curiosity, but questions that made people feel like they mattered. When someone feels interesting around you, they associate that good feeling with you. That's magnetism. Habit number four. He was calm, not loud. The loudest people in the room always feels insecure, but the calmest person feels really powerful. He didn't try to dominate conversation. He didn't compete. He stayed relaxed. And humans are wired to trust calm energy. It feels safe. It feels strong. It feels magnetic. Habit number five. He didn't choose approval. He didn't try to impress. He didn't seek validation. He was comfortable being himself. And nothing more is attractive than someone who isn't begging to be liked. When you do not chase approval, people chase you. Here is the truth no one tells. Magnetism is not about becoming more. It's about removing the need to be anything. When you are present, calm, curious, and unafraid to be yourself, people actually feel it. They don't know why. They just know that they want to be around you. You do not need a new personality. You just need a few tiny habits to make you really magnetic. And if you do it consistently, that will quietly make you a people magnet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.